guys think about Gearhead Jr? Hey, what's happening, everybody? Finally, it's time for Gearhead Jr. Look at all the garbage in my beard. Yeah, I got Lexi with me. Say hi.
Hi.
So, it's been cold. It's been real cold. I know I promised a video a long time ago, but finally warm out. Sunshiny day. Lexi and I are getting ready to go to the auto parts store. Get everything we need for this truck so we can do a tune-up on it, because, just listen, running like garbage. It stayed running! Yeah! Alright, so, we'll be back, and we're going to do a tune-up.
Ah.
Okay. Alright, everybody, welcome back. Lexi and I have gotten back from the store. Now, there's Kenzie, too. We got Kenzie. We got a whole bunch of parts for that truck. 1985 Chevy GMC. Ha! How about a GMC with a Chevy grill? All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna seafoam this thing, and we're gonna start playing and doing this on Gearhead Jr. The Junior Gearheads. All right, they're clowning. Never, whoo! If you've never seen anything seafoam, it's pretty good. Pretty like these. You can step still, bring it over here.
Oh! That's bad. That's bad.
So what you do? Come in here. Lean over.
Okay. What?
Right here, grab this. See this right here?
Yeah.
You'll be fine.
I know. This is wobbly. I can't be.
Yes, you can. Come on.
I'm trying.
Lexi,
Yeah.
get in here.
I'm trying. It's wobbly.
Lexi. There you go.
Okay, how far?
Hold it open. I'll tell you. Grab it with your finger.
Okay.
Now, open it up. Thank you.
Oh.
All right, so we're going to let that set for about 15-20 minutes.
Yeah.
Then we'll fire it back up. We're going to do some other things, clean up some parts, make it pretty. We'll be back.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm.
All right, you can speak. Are you guys ready to watch this? We're going to fire it up.
Okay.
You don't have to watch me, watch the truck.
Okay.
Goofball.
Sight. Come here. Come here.
Already running smoother. It's already running smoother. I think we might do it one more time.
Okay. You want me to stop the video?
Keep videoing.
Okay.
We're really gonna soak it this time.
Oh no. Soak it.
second time around. We did it twice because I wanted to. See what happens this time. Yay, C4! All right, Lacey's over here grooving. I think we pretty well got everything cleaned up. Oh,
That's good.
I don't think I can flip my camera around. I'm not sure how I can. Doesn't look like I can. All right, so we're gonna stop it and start it again. All right, we got it pretty clean underneath here. We got how you guys like that RTV? We're gonna let it dry off for a minute, and we'll go ahead and start getting spark plugs out and all that good jazz. Kenny, I got a bunch of this stuff cleaned up. So, anyways, yeah, we're gonna kind of clean up a bit of our mess while we let everything dry out, and we'll be back with you. Hey, we totally forgot to tell you. You got to come back for part 2, right?
Yeah.
Come back for part 2.
Yeah.
You'll see us pull all the spark plugs and everything out, and yeah, that'll be second half. All right, later.